Hi friends. Welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today we are making classic Maharashtrian style Poori Bhaji. Features golden, fluffy deep-fried puris paired with a comforting, spiced dry potato curry, batata bhaji. Ingredients for the potato bhaji. Potatoes, 4 medium-sized, boiled, peeled, and roughly chopped cubed. Onions, 1 large thinly sliced. Green chilies, 1 to 2, finely chopped or slit. Curry leaves, 12 to 15 leaves. Fresh coriander leaves, a quarter cup, chopped. Turmeric powder, a half teaspoon. Salt, to taste. Lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan or kadhi over medium heat. Add the mustard seeds and let them crackle. Then add the cumin seeds. Add curry leaves. Add the sliced onions and sauté until they turn translucent and soft. Add salt. Stir in the turmeric powder. Add the chopped boiled potatoes. Mix well so the potatoes absorb the spices. Sprinkle some grated coconut. Turn off the heat. Mix in the lemon juice and half of the fresh coriander leaves. Garnish with the remaining coriander and set aside. Sprinkle little sugar. Cover the pan with a lid and let it simmer on low heat for 4 to 5 minutes, so the flavors melt together. Now it's time for perfectly puffed puris. The secret to a non-greasy, crispy yet soft puri is a stiff dough. Here I am taking maida, all-purpose flour. Once our flour is swift, add salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of oil. Add water gradually and knead into a stiff and firm dough. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for 15 minutes. Knead the dough again for a minute. Divide it into small, lemon-sized balls. Roll them out into even circles, about 3 to 4 inches in diameter. Do not roll them too thin, or they won't puff. Do not roll them too thick, or they will remain raw inside. Heat oil in a deep pan on medium-high heat. Drop a tiny piece of dough into the oil. If it rises to the top immediately without burning, the oil is ready. Gently slide a puri into the hot oil. Press down very gently with a slotted spoon in a circular motion. This forces the puri to puff up. Once puffed, flip and fry until it turns a beautiful golden brown on both sides. Drain the excess oil on paper towels. Look at those beautiful golden color on the puris. And there you have it, crispy, golden puris and that classic, comforting potato bhaji ready to enjoy. Seriously, nothing beats making this fresh at home on a lazy weekend morning. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more easy, delicious recipes every week, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, happy cooking. See you in the next one.